Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you were new, welcome. So starting off this video, your girl already jacked them. Okay, I didn't think I need a ear to ear part. I was just kind of using this as a rough draft. I had to go back in and clean that up. So just start off doing that, clean it up, ear to ear part. I'm gonna show y'all later. But here I'm just doing like a little kind of half moon curve situation. I was trying to recreate this picture. Listen, I'm not a stylist. I did the best that I could, and you know, she's still rocking in braids. It's good. We went in with this lock in gel, okay, to make sure that this part is clean. So yeah, so when I got done doing that part, I did realize, okay, yeah, I need that ear to ear. So I went back and I cleaned that up, okay? I'm gonna do that off camera. So now we starting on the back of the head, and I just made 2 braids. I just did 2 little simple braids, baby. This is kind of freestyle. It's freestyle for the hair photo that I just showed y'all earlier, and it's gonna be what it is. So I just went ahead and just I tried to make the braids as even as I could and went in with some gel to make it all nice and twisted. So now that I got my parting done how I like it, I'm gonna go in with some gel, and I'm just gonna be gelling the sides of the hair so that when we do braid, it kind of gives like, you know, like a smooth effect. And yes, I am combing her hair from her roots to her ends, only because her hair already detangled. We start off with a healthy afro in the beginning. That's detangled hair, baby. And I'm only saying this to the people in the back. The people in the front get it. I know y'all get it. The people on the back don't. I had this one comment. One time told me that I need to comb from the roots to the ends when I'm detangling. Y'all know what Stop it, y'all. But anyways, I'm not trying to make fun of y'all. I'm just trying to educate y'all, because I know I got some white folks that's in love. Anyways, appreciate y'all. I'm braiding her hair. I'm being very cautious that I am light with my fingers. I know that first braid, you know, it looked a little questionable. She ain't got no red bumps nowhere. I promise y'all. I'm trying to grow my baby hair. I ain't trying to pull it out. She been rocking this hairstyle for a minute now. No red bumps. Baby, we growing. Put oil on it every day. Yes, ma'am. Insert. So now I am prepping the second braid by doing the same thing, adding gel to the sides of the hair, smoothing that through, and then I'm just going to go ahead and braid. Smoke.
Please leave a message after the tone.
So here I'm asking if the braid is tight. You see she's shaking her head. No, but it was pulling. It was pulling. So I went ahead and took it down and redid it. I promise I did. I didn't know if y'all wanted to see that, so I just took it out. So now I'm going to be working on the second section of the back of her head. Oh, sorry. I was showing y'all what the braid looked like, but it was blurry, so y'all couldn't see nothing. I'm still learning this camera. Now I know that her head has to be in the middle or it's going to go out of focus. See, I'm learning. So for this section, I just did 3 braids. And for the first braid, this part right here, I just went straight across. Like, it should have had a curve to like kind of go up so it can fit inside the ponytail. But luckily, you know, my baby got some inches. So it did just that without the curve. Yes. And then with the second parting that I did, it did have a slight curve to it, which y'all will see when that part comes up. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this video play and let y'all listen to Sierra. So this is what the back is looking like. We all done with it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Look, she happy. Yes. So now I'm going to be connecting the front of her hair with the back of the head. And we're going to be doing zigzags. Okay, you only need 3 zigs. Maybe 1 zag. No. Once I got the parting how I like it, I'm just going to go ahead and gel that part up so I can make it all nice and crisp. And then I had an event to go to as I was doing her hair. We had to go to my son's basketball game. And I was like, nah, I can get this done. I'm Superwoman. And I was, because I got it done in like 20 minutes. And we had 20 minutes to leave. So I was in fast motion trying to get her hair done and braid this hair up because I still had to get everybody. I am so horrible with time. Y'all don't even know it. But yeah, so I just put the braiding process in fast motion, listen to some good music, vibe out to it. It's a vibe, I promise.
Everyone's looking around thinking I'm going crazy. And everyone's looking around thinking I'm going crazy. Oh, I'm in love with you. They don't know the truth. wish that comes with your embrace. And in this world of loneliness, I see your face. You're everywhere around me, thinks that I'm going crazy. Maybe, maybe.
I don't know why my video stopped like this. It's really weird because when I was editing the first time, it went all the way through and it stopped. I don't understand it, but this is the finished look, okay? Now, listen, she did live in this hairstyle for a minute, okay? She been having this in for a little minute. I forgot to film it when it was all nice and fresh. Like I said, we had somewhere to go. Sorry. If you guys like this video and this hairstyle, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe because I love for y'all to be part of the family. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.